Interface warning off. This is a system configuration information command. You'll notice on the server login page, the yellow page, that there is a special status window now in the upper right hand corner. It tells you of any problems that it's seeing when it runs system check. So you get constant information about the status of the server. You may have cases where something breaks and you don't want to continue to see that report. So one example is if you do not have internet and it's showing an internet warning message. Or maybe you have one of the network interfaces that is not working or not plugged in to the switch and you don't want to see those warning messages. The interface warning off command simply disables warning messages that are shown on the server login page, and it allows you to set which warnings will be not reported on that status window. Now, if you set one for failed, then you would want to set it for working again as soon as the connection is fixed. So let me show you an example of this. We go to the interface warning off command and click once with our left mouse button. And it explains what this command does. We say OK, and we need to enter the sysadmin account password. And it has three different warnings that you can enable or disable. The internet, the first network interface, and the second network interface. Both of those are normally plugged into the network switch. So if you do not have internet connected, you can change this status to no. Now, the server that I'm working on right now only has one lab interface plugged in. The second one is not plugged in. So on my server login screen, I'm getting an error message. If I want to completely disable that error message, I can just say failed, do not check. And again, this is just reporting. This is not fixing anything, changing anything. It is just changing what gets reported on your server login page. Once I've made the changes that I want, I can click OK, and I'm finished. Now suppose later on I do plug in that second interface, and I can now go in and ask for reports on that again. And so again, I just go back to the interface warning off command, click once, I enter my sysadmin password, and I can reset this now to working, normal state, and now it will begin monitoring again and reporting to me if there's a problem with that interface. The same goes as well with the internet. If you do get internet, then you can change that to a yes, and you will get reports on the internet then on your server login page status window. So that is the interface warning off command. Thank you.